Here are a few scroll-stopping ad formats that we here at Motion came across recently that you might want to add to your swipe file. Well, because they're super crazy and kind of totally effective. Let's take a look at these ads and then break them down a bit to better understand why they work so well. Ad format number 1, shocking video stitches and transitions. Okay, so if you're not familiar with this trend, you've got to go check out some of the pin posts on Central Houston Nissan's TikTok. This is what they look like, and they've just been all over this trend. And while they're technically organic posts, they kind of serve as this brand awareness ad, with many of them actually going super duper viral. And here's why. So first up, you have some serious attention-grabbing pattern interrupts where an unexpected piece of content creates shock and then curiosity. Emotional arousal theory is a term basically that suggests that when a stimulated emotion like humor or surprise occurs, we actually enhance memory retention and make ads a whole lot more memorable. And while I don't think this trend is here to stay for very long, when you lower cognitive resistance and you evoke astonishment, you're definitely gonna have a more scroll-stopping ad. We are humans after all. Okay, let's take a look at this next scroll-stopping ad format.
What do you want?
I want you to stop ordering so many True Classic tees.
These are the only t-shirts that fit me tight in the arms and chest and are loose in the front.
No matter how many you get, it's never enough.
I want all of them, forever, every day. Can you do something for me? Can you picture me not wearing this t-shirt?
You look terrible.
Then I'm gonna have to wear them every day, but I want to do that because I want you.
Okay, if you're not familiar with this reference, it's a nod to the popular romance movie, The Notebook. This is a parody of a scene from that movie, which has become pretty like a popular meme in the last few years.
What do you want? What do you want?
And psychologically speaking, this is definitely a scroll-stopping ad format because referencing memes in movies like this, it taps into persuasion through distinctiveness, memorability, humor, and cultural reliability. If we take that a step further, there's actually a term called peripheral route to persuasion, which is just a fancy way of saying when an audience isn't motivated to think deeply about an ad, they are more influenced by superficial cues like humor and familiarity. And for most people who are just passively scrolling their social feeds, it's perfect. And while not every single person who comes across this ad in the wild will get this reference, True Classic is banking on positive emotional responses from those who do. I love it. Let's go on to our last ad format.
Let's unbox the Rico bag together. Comes in small and medium size. Guys, look at the studded bottom. The logo embossed strap. Are you kidding? This pebble textured leather is so fire. Even comes with 2 different lengths of straps. Back in stock on Wednesday.
Okay, shout out to our friend Dara Denny, flagged this Alexander Wang ad for us. And the first question that pops up for most people after looking at this crazy scroll-stopping ad format is this even legal? Well, according to a lawyer who was interviewed by NBC News in this article, there's certainly a case to be made against Alexander Wang for illegally using a celebrity's likeness. But there's a lot of gray area here, but especially because this account was liking comments that acknowledged the lookalike. I don't know. Regardless, the post is still up for now. But what's more interesting to me is understanding why is it that celebrity endorsements work so dang well in advertising. Most of us are aware of concepts like social proof and the halo effect that build connection and trust between a well-liked public figure and their fans. But I found that it's even more effective when a brand is able to ink a long-term deal for repeated celebrity endorsements over a long period of time. That's because it gives more time for a strong, conditioned association to occur. Off the top of my head, I'm thinking, especially where a celebrity arouses a call to identity, where the audience is really aspiring to be that. A good example is HexClad and Chef Gordon Ramsay, where you have amateur cooks who want to cook like Chef Gordon Ramsay, so they gotta buy HexClad.
Shit!
All right, that's all I've got for you. 3 crazy scroll-stopping ad formats that we here at Motion think make for some excellent source material inspiration. And if you're new to Motion, you can start implementing crazy ideas, maybe like these ones, into your ad campaigns to capture more attention, drive higher engagement, and boost your overall conversions.